Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip, and I've got kind of a different kind of truck for you guys today. This is not what we normally have here. You know us for having our low mileage, pretty new, straight, clean, perfect little trucks. This is kind of a weirdo that we obtained a little while ago. Don't remember even why. This is a 2004. So to start with, it's a little earlier than vintage of what we do. But look at this. Yeah, that's the reason why. I remember now why. Hey, we got ourselves a tandem axle dumping flatbed. This thing is an animal. You know, it's kind of one of those trucks that's kind of strange because it's in good condition, but you know, she does show her age a little bit. But look at this. Look at the dust on there. There's no leaking on the cylinders, nothing like that. The bottom of it is rock solid, no rust issues on it. The whole truck like that. Tires on it are good. A lot of tread. I don't know how old they are. You might need to double check that, but boy, the rest of it's pretty solid. And diamond plate all the way up there. She's got a nice little headache rack on it. These are rollers, but it looks like it's probably been about 100 years since they were turned. So if you want it to be a roll-off, it is. You might just have to loosen those up a little bit. Of course, it's air brakes because this is a 56,000-pound GVD truck. Got ourselves a nice little harsh little lift on it right there. Nice heavy-duty unit. Got dual fuel tanks on it. Tires are rock solid. Now, here's the ugly. Underneath that is a 7.8. It's the inline 6-cylinder little ISUZU motor. It starts, it runs good, sounds good, goes down the road, drives, shifts, stops, does all that stuff, but it has a lot of blow-by, guys, I'm just telling you. Now, it's cold here today. So it doesn't look like it. That's not from this truck. That's something else. Water from the rain. I don't see a lot of blow-by coming out there right now today, but guys, trust me, it has a lot of blow-by. A lot, an excessive amount. But depending on what you're going to use that truck for, she'll do a great job for you. And this thing is, in its day, this was an awesome truck. First of all, here's the good stuff. Look at this. Solid. Got a little surface, a little rust on, but look at this. There's no rust issues on this truck anywhere. Solid little truck, GM. It's a GMC. It's got cloth interior. This is an air ride seat. You got power windows, power door locks. You even got power mirrors apparently. I guess I haven't checked them. Let's see. Cruise control, I believe that works. I think I tried that. And it's got a Eaton Fuller transmission in it. And that is a 8-speed low. So there you go right there, right? Air brakes because she's a monster. She's 56,000-pound GVW. There's your gauges for the air brakes. PTO control is on the shifter right there. And of course, there's your control for letting it up and down. Just so that you can see, obviously you saw it up anyway, so we'll go ahead and let her back down because we don't need it up in the air right now. So while that's coming down, here's the owner's manual for the harsh lift that's on it. And dashboard looks decent on it. AM/FM radio. Don't even know if that works. Let's see. Oh, by golly, it does. Look at that. Oh, that looks like that's even a CD player. How about that, man? As I say, it does have power windows, power door locks on it. Seats on it are solid. Oh, it's got a little fold-down armrest here, apparently. On the dashboard, you got that little maintenance required light. I don't know if it's an oil change. I don't know what. That's just because the air brakes are set. That's the seatbelt light. And ABS light as well. No shock there, right? But look at that. That's only 131,000 miles. That's spectacular on a truck this age. As they say, it's an 8-speed low. It is street worthy. Been driving it It is not the fastest thing around because remember what you're dealing with here. She's a big old heavy duty truck. Headliners hanging down a little bit, boys, but big deal. A little bit of glue. What's this? Oh, look at there. Mercy, even that works. All right, cruise control. Decent little truck. It's just an older truck. Nice work truck. Boy, if you're looking for a farm truck, if you're just looking for a construction type of truck, that might just do it for you. Look at the condition of that decking. As I say, she's a 2004. It's got the ISUZU 7.8 inline diesel engine in it. Does have a lot of blow-by. It's got the 8-speed low. Tires on it are good as far as the tread goes on them. Like I say, don't know how old they are. I haven't checked. She's just a good, straight, old truck that needs a home. If you're looking for a workhorse, a nice heavy-duty 56,000-pound GVW tandem axle flatbed. Wow, I don't know, we'll call it a 20-foot maybe. I might measure it. We'll see how it goes. Decent little truck, guys. If you can use that, you give me a call. We're right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. We have all kinds of trucks that we sell right here. My personal phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.